Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It is page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is freedom through faith. I need you to believe in yourself. Your freedom is right down a few meters away from consistency. We need you to be consistent. Believe that what you've started is going to open up blessings for you. It always gets tough right before the breakthrough. So right now, we need you not to give up or question your work or your journey. You've been in the right place at the right time, putting in the right efforts. I need you to continue. The world needs you to continue. I calm my thoughts and rise above all fear, because fear fears you. You look it in the eye, I guarantee it runs the other way. And you're back on your journey to prosperity. I free myself of all doubt by entrusting my doubts to God. I have faith in God's perfect timing and placement. I trust His will, and I find freedom. The right place, the right time, you're there. So continue, stay consistent. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.